Hello YouTube. Figured I'd make a quick winter video. PA's just now getting hit by supposedly a storm, a winter storm that's coming through here, but figured I'd get some shots of that for you. The ground isn't quite frozen, so a lot of it doesn't stick. But it's coming down pretty good. It's coated all the trees. A lot of the dead trees, I should say. I have to cut some of them down come spring, which means I got to find a chainsaw. There we go. Someone out shoveling snow. They come out and shovel about every hour. And I'm not joking. But, let's see here. I see the snowplow's been around. See if I can get a good shot here. Well, that's kind of the hillside coming down from where I live, but I'm going to see if I can get a better shot of the city itself.